Okay, so I'm sure for many bride-to-bes like me, there is a lot going on in our checklist. We've got shopping, we've got venue booking, we've got appointment at the salon, but there's one thing I feel like we all tend to forget or not prioritize as much, and that is to take care of your dental health. And in case you have any gaps in your teeth like I do, and if you want to enhance your smile, I feel like it's so important to get started on with it, and also a very important part of your wedding prep. So I was looking for something that is convenient, easy, practical, and something that's not too uncomfortable, like wearing braces. So I did a lot of research and I went through social media a lot and spoke to experts, read countless reviews, and finally found something that I feel like I could talk about. So it's actually toothsi by makeO. So toothsi has a team of dental experts that specialize in straightening teeth and enhancing your smile using their invisible aligners, and all done hassle-free at the comfort of your home. So let me go ahead and show you what the product is. Now let's understand the difference between braces and aligners. So braces are made using metal, and metal wires and rubber band are used to provide a force to align your teeth together. And the toothsi aligners are made with complex plastic-like materials. They are custom made to fit your teeth, and each aligners move your teeth little by little to the final aligned position. To get the aligners yourself, all you have to do is download their app called makeO. It's very easy and hassle-free. You just click on toothsi and book your appointment for your at-home scan. Then the toothsi team will visit your place and take a live scan. It's so impressive to experience the entire process and the technology, and every step is supervised by a professional orthodontist. They have 100+ dentists and orthodontists on board, and the toothsi Pro literally showed me the gaps in my teeth and how the aligners will do wonders in fixing those. And once you're done with your scan, just within a few days time, you will receive your toothsi aligners. Let's go ahead and unbox them. So this is the box which has my set of aligners. Here is the content table. Now this cute thing is called a dry box, where you can place your aligners when not in use. Here is the welcome book. Now these are my aligners. As you can see from the video itself that they are so soft and gentle, and I will wear them later in my video and show you. In my case, I have got 12 upper and 14 lower aligners in my box. Now this differs on every case-to-case basis depending on your severity. In my case, I have very tiny gaps. These aligners are completely invisible. Every aligner is made with robotic trimming technology to ensure that it fits perfectly. The best part about toothsi aligners is that they are removable, so you can remove them whenever you eat. And at this point, I think there's one thing that I'm being so particular about is my diet. We'll talk about that in some other video. So that's it for this video. It's pretty easy and straightforward, and if you are tempted to get your teeth in line, you can go ahead and check out these professional aligners by toothsi by makeO, and all you have to do is go and take your appointment. I'm going to link them down below in the description box, so go ahead and check them out, and I'm wishing you all the best. I hope that my entire wedding series has been able to help you out, and thank you so much for watching this video. I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye!